Hi to everyone watching this. This is my first upload. I hope you like it. Sorry about the picture quality, but it was taken on my mobile. Sorry. I'm usually boring, but today I went out my back door and into my back garden, and I came across this. A small little kitten. And he's on my bed. I think it's a he. He hasn't stopped purring since. Husband. Hello. He's about maybe 2 or 3 weeks old, and as you can see, he's black and still licking my bed. My duvet will never be the same again. Say hello to the camera.